Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is BaseUs Bowie MA10 and I'm going to show you how to easily rename them in your Android device. Let's get started. First we have to remove them from our case, just like that. 1 and 2. We want them to connect with our phone. Now we have to scroll down to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click this settings icon over there. And as you can see in the top right corner is an pen icon. We have to click on it and we can rename it. To confirm, we just have to click rename. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.